Hello, this video will show you how to use Google Keep, one of my favorite Google tools. So to get to Google Keep, you can just type in keep.google.com and it will take you to the Keep home screen. And if you want to get there quickly, you can add it to your bookmarks by clicking this star, and you can see it's come up here, my bookmarks. But you can delete the text if you like, so that you only have the icon. So then if you want to open your tab and quickly get to your notes, you just have to click that tab there, or that icon. So this is what it looks like, and I don't have any notes at the moment, but I just have to click in this box to take my first note. So let's imagine I've just had a brainwave about what to get my brother for Christmas. So maybe I just write, get brother socks for Christmas. And then you can give it a title if you need to, maybe present or something. You can add a color if you want, which is a bit useful when you've got lots of notes. You can maybe identify all the yellow ones are certain things. And if maybe I'm planning on getting this with a sibling, maybe I want to collaborate with them and add them onto this same note so that we can both see it. And there's a few other things that you can do down here. So let's just imagine as well, I now want to make a list, maybe a to-do list. So I'm just going to call this to-do list. I'm going to make it green. Maybe all my to-do lists are green, so they're easy to spot. And a feature I really like is using checkboxes. So I'm going to go down here and click checkboxes. So now I can add in a list of things. So I might add in write an email to, I don't know, Olaf. And maybe another job is to test the new computer or something. Now, something that is quite useful, if you've got lots of notes, they go in order of the date when you started them, but you can use this pin feature, which keeps the note at the top. So you'd have your pinned notes at the top and then all of your other notes underneath. And then once you've done one of these, you can just tick it off and it shows underneath that's a completed task. And you can untick it as well if you accidentally click. Perhaps some of these jobs could be done by me or someone else. So maybe I'd add a collaborator. So maybe I'll add my school account, which I don't know where that is. Anyway, I can add someone else in and they appear at the bottom, and that means they'll be able to see that in their Google Keep as well. And they can tick them off or see them. So it works well for collaboration. Perhaps I want to spend a bit more time thinking about this present idea, but I want to do that when I get home. So maybe I could set a reminder so that at 8 p.m. it will remind me that I should think more about this Christmas present. And if you can download the app, so from the App Store or the Play Store, depending if you use iPhone or Android, if you get your Google Keep app and you log in using the same account, it will have all of those there. And that makes it really useful for if you're away from your desk and you get a new idea or someone asks you to do something, you can use your phone to add it to your to-do list. You can even add a reminder for a place. So if you have it on your phone, you could set it that when you walk past the shop on the way home, it will give you a notification. So I could type in the location of the shop, and then when I walk past that, it will remind me, oh, you must go in and buy some apples or whatever I need. So that's quite useful. I'm trying to think what else you might need for your task. Oh yeah, labels. So you can add a label. So if I go to edit labels over here and create a new label, maybe I want a to-do list label, which now appears over here. And to add this to a label, I can just go to the three dots, which is kind of like more, add label, add it to to-do. And that means I can just click on that to-do label and it will show me all the keep notes that I've asked to be labeled as to do. You can also click on reminders to see any reminders that you've set yourself. And the last thing I want to show you is a really useful trick. So for example, if I'm in my mail or in calendar or somewhere else, you can, down here, it's quite hidden, but there's a small arrow pointing to the left. And if you click that, you can see that it's got 3 tasks, keep and calendar here. So if you click Google Keep, it will show your tasks with the pinned one at the top. So you can actually, while you're doing your emails, you can add to your list directly from Gmail. And I think that works in calendar and in Google Docs as well. So you don't always have to even go to a new tab. You can just start adding them in on the side. So that's really useful. Another useful tip, it's not really to do with Keep, but if you accidentally close a tab, or on purpose, and then you need to get it back, if you press Control and Shift and T, or Command Shift T on a Mac, it will open up the last tab that you closed. And if you have a few tabs open, and then you close 2 of them, you can do it twice, and it will open up both of them, and you can just keep doing that. And that happens quite a lot, that you might accidentally close a tab and then just press Command, Shift and T and it will open that up again. Lastly, I'll talk about the search function. It's really powerful. Google's known for their search. You can search for different labels that you might have. So in my school account, I've got a label for training that I've been on. So whenever I go on training, I'll add the training label and then take notes of all the things that I've learnt. People that you've shared it with. You can even search by colour, so show me all the green ones or the yellow ones. And I think that's everything. So have a go at the tasks below, and feel free to watch this video again or watch bits of it and try and see if you can complete the tasks. Good luck.